I feel like every time I make a new project or video, this thing just gets dumber by the second. Hi, my name is Michael with a T. T for this video is dumb. Now I have a question. What do large corporations and coding have in common? That's right, absolutely nothing. But the topic of today's video, facial recognition. That was fast. 20 seconds? God, please slow it down. Facial recognition. One of the coolest things since like touchscreen phones. It's cool, it's smart, it's innovative. I mean, everyone uses it. Problem is, it isn't dumb enough. You know, where's the risk? Where's the reward? I think it's my job to fix that. But I know what you're thinking. Michael, how in the world are you gonna make facial recognition dumb? Well, for that, I need the help of the most controversial app of the 2010s, Twitter. The app is Twitter. We're gonna use Twitter. So here's what I'm thinking. I want to merge a Twitter bot with facial recognition to make a bot that doesn't really like when you make eye contact with it. Here's how it works. To make a Twitter bot, you need to develop a Twitter account. With that, they give you a bunch of keys, which you insert into your code, and through a Python library called Twitter. For facial recognition to work, you need these things called hard cascades. Thought I said hard. I think it's a bunch of data where they help to find your face and your eyes. A lot of confusing stuff I really don't remember. The point is, you need to find the eye cascades within the face cascades because you really want to find eyes outside the face. That'd be weird. So what we want to do is every time you make eye contact with the bot, it tweets at you. That's honestly the whole thing. This is dumb, bro. This is the code that allows you to tweet. This is the code that detects your eyes. Put it together and wha-bam, you got a code that can tweet every time it finds your eyes. Let's test it out. Got it after 50 tries. Boom. Code is visual. iPad is visual. Start the code. Here we go. It's gonna recognize my face, gonna recognize my eyes, and then it's gonna tweet at me. Big brain. Its reaction time is ready. Bam! Ooh, it already started scanning. And then you get a notification saying to check your Twitter. And when I look, boom! He's asking me if I have a problem. Do I have a problem? It's the greatest thing I've ever made. Actually, no. But yes. This is beautiful. Oh, it's still tweeting. Wait, no, stop. This is my sister Lori. I forced her she volunteered to help me with this project. All right, test subject number 25. Please tell us your name.
Name.
This is why I hate you. Okay, press F5 for me. We're gonna start the test. Press F5 and press enter. You think this is a game? This is a joke.
It's on.
Taking the camera now.
Trying to. Okay.
Bam. Shut your eyes. Now read what it says here when it comes up. Wait. First, act like I didn't say that. What is the notification? What does the prompt say?
Bro, go check your Twitter.
So check your Twitter, please.
Oh God, bro, you kind of.
Say that again.
Oh God, you kind of ugly. It says, bro, you got.
It is factual. Alright, this video is terrible. I've only made 2 videos, and I can confidently say this is the worst one. Yeah, self-conscious Twitter bot tweets out stuff when you look at it. That's kind of it. That's the whole. Man, this project is done, bro. I'm done. No, I'm good. Yeah, okay. What can I even make next, though? What should I make next? I need a really dumb but exciting idea. You know? I need the vision. big brain stuff.
I'll make a Gordy.
Make a who?
Gordy like veggies.
That's just a virtual assistant. Already did that.